Hello everyone, another Duke. Uh, Today is gonna be the second video of my little WPL c24 build. So it's gonna be about putting the shocks together and installing them. Simple stuff. So don't worry about my thumbs. Yeah, I was doing some stuff and forcing so hard with my thumbs I bruised the end of my fingers. They tender. Oh well. Too much strength for my own good, I guess. Anyway, uh, first of all, you have your shock body right here. And that's it. Real simple. Take this screw right here that comes with the kit. And you just put it in there. Take your screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver. Just go in the end like that. You take your little end cap, not the end cap, but the little eye thing right here like that. You just screw it on the end. Real simple. And I'll go all the way down to the thread right there. When I don't see no more thread, I stop. That's it. Real easy. You got your spring that goes on the inside. Get it out for you. Little spring right there. What I like to do is take a little bit of oil and just put a little bit of oil on it. Helps it, keeps it from rusting too quick. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. Oop, drop the spring. Rub it all on the spring like that. And that's it. Just take the spring, just drop it in there. See, you got a shock built. You take your end cap. Oop, get into the picture there. Take your little end cap, and it just snaps on. Push it on there, gotta push it on. Oh. That's it. Snapped on there. Got the shock built. Awesome. Cool as can be. That's it. Do the same thing with the other one. Get your shock body. A little screw. Drop it in there. Take your screwdriver. Put it on. Take this little end piece right here. Screw it down. That's it. Got a shock built. Same thing with this one. Take a little bit of oil. Just a little bit, it don't take much. Rub it all over that spring. Just drop it in there. Woo. Wipe my hands. Get some of that oil off. So, then, once you put your spring inside, take your little cap and just snap it on. Ta-da! Like magic. That'll do you. That's it. Shock built. I already got the front shock's already on, so greased up, oiled up, whatever. That's pretty simple to put it on. Got these holes right here in the chassis. Down right there. That's the hole you put it in. And see on the back of your shock, got this little bump right here. It goes inside that hole on the outside. Oh, let me get my screw ready. You just lay the frame on top of it like that. Get your number 1 screw. And screw it in there on the back side. Now you don't want to, what I do is I'll go and I'll tighten it down. And if it's too tight, I back it up a little bit. But you want it to move around like that. Make sure you get that screw all the way in there though. Yeah, yeah. There we go. I have to have that little bit of play in it like that. Leave it loose. Loose like a goose. Same thing on the other side. That hole right there in the frame. In the back. Take your shock. Put it in that hole. And that's all she wrote. Get your number 1 screw. Put it on. Simple, simple, simple stuff. Like I said in the other video, y'all, it's good if y'all can watch some videos of this stuff. Cause it'll help out, cause the instructions ain't too spiffy. A little bit tighter. Good to go. Now you got your bracket right here that holds your axles. It's gonna mount your axles to this little bar that goes across right here. What you do is you take your shock, and the same thing in the front, and it goes over this little piece right here in the back. Wish I can see that. The shock's gonna go over that right there. Just bring that up and just put it on. And that's it. You take your number 1 screw and put it in there. You're good to go. Yep. That's it. And my number 1 screw. Yeah. Tighten it down. Switch it that one. Whee! Other side, same thing. Side sticks out like that. And there. Stick your shock. Slide it right on there. Let me get in the picture. Yeah. Take it. Slide it on there. Just like that. Get your number 1 screw. Tighten it down. That's it. Good to go. Installed. Huh? Shocks installed front and back. Awesome. That's cool. Yep. Simple stuff, y'all. Easy. Like I said, watch a couple of videos. You'll get it. Now, I did have to. In the first video, I put this upside down right here. I have to turn it back over. Put it the right way. The solid piece goes to the top. So, that's it. Next is going to be, I'm going to install my electronics, motor, ESC, and all that other good stuff. So, that's all I have for today. Next, like I said, is my motor and ESC and all that good stuff. All the electronics are going to go on. So, I want to thank everybody for watching my videos, all my subscribers. Really appreciate it, y'all. And if y'all can give a like, subscribe, whatever, it means a lot. So, cool beans. This is awesome. It's got me hooked. I'm gonna wind up ordering me another kid. I love it. Awesome. All right, y'all. Y'all have a safe and blessed day. Be good to each other out there. North Sea Duke. Check that out. Awesome. Got the shocks built. Cool beans. North Sea Duke. Out.